Welcome all on behalf of Saraswat International Academy. Myself Satish Makwana, subject English, standard 9th English medium. Chapter 1, The Fun They Had, Part 2. So students, in the last session, in the chapter The Fun They Had, we saw that the story, first of all we saw that the story is set in the future, right? Dated year 2157. And Margie is writing a diary on the night of 17th May. And what she writes, that Tommy had found a real book. And regarding that book, she was feeling very strange because there were no real books in her times. So in the future, they had a mechanical teacher, means a robot kind of machine. And on that machines, they used to study, learn, give test. Everything was on the mechanical teacher on that machine. And Margie hated that machine very badly because the robot machine was giving her so many tests in geography and she was not performing good. So what her mother did, she called a county inspector. Now who was this county inspector? The IT guy. So he fixed the mechanical teacher, and the problem was that the machine had been set on the higher level as compared to the age of Margie. So he fixed the mechanical teacher, and her mother was very happy, and to cheer up, the county inspector patted Margie on her head and back. So, and later on, Tommy and Margie were discussing about the book, that what exactly was written in the book, and it was written about the school. So Margie was a bit shocked that why would anyone write on school, and what is there to write on school. So moving ahead, let's see what happens further in the chapter. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. So now they were discussing, Margie and Tommy are discussing. So Tommy is telling her that they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Now here regular means the normal, a usual kind of a human being. So what he's telling Margie, that they had a real teacher, a regular teacher, and it was a man. A man. How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. So there was a man. Now this teacher, they are talking about the past, about the centuries ago. At that time they had teachers, the human beings. So how could a man be a teacher? Now Margie was shocked, okay, and she was feeling strange. How can a man be a teacher? So well, Tommy tells her that the man used to inform the boys and girls about the things, about the studies. He used to give them homework and ask them questions. That's how the old school used to work. A man isn't smart enough. Sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. So Margie was not able to believe that how can a man be a teacher. So Tommy says, yeah, of course it can be possible, a man can be smart enough. So now he's comparing his father, that his father is smart as my teacher. Now here as my teacher means he's comparing his father with the mechanical teacher. He knows almost as much. I betcha. I betcha means I bet. I can bet on that. He knows as much as the mechanical teacher does. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. So as Tommy was comparing his father with the mechanical teacher on that topic, Margie was not ready to have an argument with Tommy. So she was like thinking that how can a man be allowed in my, no, I won't be able to, I won't allow any man to be in my house to teach me, a strange man in my house to teach me. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. So by listening to her comments, Tommy screamed with laughter that you don't know much, Margie. So she was not aware of the school that used to work in the past. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. So now Tommy is explaining her that how the school were in the past. They had a special building called school and all the kids from different area used to come there and they used to study. And all the kids learned the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age. So by coming to that special building, all the kids learned the same thing according to their age. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches and that each kid has to be taught differently. So now what Margie's mother used to tell her, that the teacher must be adjusted according to the mind of the each boy and girl. So for example, the mechanical teacher, the machine was adjusted according to the level of Margie. No, she was 11th. At the age of 10th, the machine was adjusted. So according to her age, the robot used to give her test and used to explain her accordingly. Just the same, they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. So he was very frustrated about the questions asked by Margie. So he's trying to tell her that it doesn't work the same way, which we are working, we are studying right now. It's not the same way. So if you don't like the book, you can stop reading the book. I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. So she quickly replied to him, no, I didn't, I'm not saying that I don't like to read. She wanted to read more about these funny schools. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called. Margie, school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Now, said Miss Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. So as they were talking about the schools and she was reading the book, her mother called her. Margie, school. It was a school time for Margie. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Now, said Miss Jones. So it was time for her school as well as for Tommy too. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? So she asked Tommy that after school, once my school is over, can I read the book further? Maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. So without showing any without showing any interest, he replied, yeah, you can read after school. And he walked away whistling and he took the book and tucked beneath his arm. Tucked means he just took the book along with him and he went away. Tucked means put the book. Margie went into the school room. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. So the school was just besides her bedroom, and it was only on Saturday Sunday they had an off, and regular days it was the same school time. and there the mechanical teacher was waiting for her. So her mother had a fixed regular hours for Margie for school except Saturday, Sunday. And what did she believe? That little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. The screen was lit up and it said, "Today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction." So what the mechanical teacher was there, it was waiting for her, and as soon as she entered, the screen was lit up, it was on, and it showed today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. The topic was addition of proper fractions. That was she was about to learn. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. So now there was a slot, a whole kind of slot in the in the machine, wherein Margie had to insert her homework. Margie did so with a sigh. So as soon as the machine asked her to submit her homework, she did the same quickly. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. So while submitting the homework into the slot, she was thinking about the school about the school where his grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. Schoolyard means a school ground. Sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. So she was imagining how the scenario would be. All the kids, all the students coming, all the kids coming from the whole neighborhood, from the area, from the neighborhood, coming to one place, laughing and shouting in the school ground, and sitting together in the schoolroom, doing the homework, and going back to home at the end of the day. They learned the same things, so they could help one another with homework and talk about it. So being in one place, they learned the same thing, and if they had any difficulty, they could share the homework and talk about it. And the teachers were people. So if we had any problems, we could also approach to the teachers. Why? Because they were people at that time. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions half and 1/4. So at the meantime, the mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen, and it started the addition of fractions. Margie was thinking about the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. So continuously in her mind it was going on about the kids, about how they had fun in the old days in their school. By Isaac Asimov. I hope everyone has understood the chapter, the fun they had. Students, you'll have to write down the glossary from the lesson in your notebook, the glossary which is given in the chapter, as well as the answer key for the questions, for thinking about the text which is given in the textbook. Those answers for the questions I would give you in the next session. We'll discuss the question answers and we'll give it to you in the next session. Thank you so much.